So this is a military grade screen protector, and honestly, this is so easy. A kid could even do this. Obviously not like a toddler, but my point is that it's extremely easy to follow. The instructions are very, very easy to read and to understand. You literally get 2 screens that will come in these, which are these right here. This is one of them, and then this is the other one. They'll be in these. And then you literally you're going to wipe down your screen with this, and you get 2 of these as well in case you're doing 2 different phones. You wipe it down with the cleaning cloth here. Then you lay your phone right in the center here. You literally just push these pins down on each corner. Once you push the pins down, your phone will be underneath, and you're just going to pull this tab out. Once you pull the tab out, you will take your phone and you will push away towards the out, from starting in the middle towards the outer end to get any bubbles that might be still in there, to push those over and out of it. And that will be it. That's all you need to do. Simple process. Oh, make sure you close the lid too when you pull it out. Simple process, easy to follow, instructions easy. This is a shatterproof screen. It's gonna help with 0 bubbles. Sometimes when you put these screens in, you get lots of bubbles. This is going to eliminate a lot of those bubbles. So this is gonna be a really easy setup, really clean from the start to the finish. And like I said, even I would say teenager, young adult could simply do this with no help. Thanks for sending me this to review.